What is going on, guys? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. As you guys can see, I am finally back home, and it feels so good to finally be back home. After a lot of travel, again, it was important to be around family and friends, especially during, tougher times. But thankfully, we are back home, and we're excited today to discuss and talk about Zombie Inu, one of our favorite tokens in the crypto space right now. So as you guys can see, if we're looking at the overall price action for Zombie Inu, since basically it became a token back in the end of October, we saw it rise up significantly all the way up to 2,500 Satoshis. It found what seems like support after it dipped back down to around that 1,000 Satoshi unit mark, bounced off that support line, and then unfortunately, the overall market continued to trend down when it came to speculative tokens. All the Inus, all of the speculatives took the hardest hit. But as you guys can see per the chart, we have found what looks like a strong level of support right around 1,000 Satoshis. So in my opinion, remember, I was prefaced by saying that I am not a financial advisor. Rather, I'm only trying to put you guys on the place that I'm in. When we see consolidation like this, that means that might be presenting a really good entry point before big catalysts come about and take us to the next level. Because what I'm hoping is now that we found a support line of individuals who are holding their positions, now when we get an influx of new investors, that's when we start seeing a positive trend or a positive price action in the market. So let's dive into some of the big news catalysts that are coming for Zombie Inu. There are some really fantastic updates for this token, and congratulations to the Zombie Mob, because again, we are just getting started and we already hit nearly 10,000 holders, 9,369 per DEX tools, and I'm sure the Etherscan would reflect a more accurate number, which is closer to 10,000 than this here. Now, folks, before we dive into the updates, I want to mention the link in the description below for Mumu. I want you guys to all take advantage of free money when it presents itself to you. And literally, what you see here is free money. There's a link right at the top of the description for Mumu where you can get 5 free stocks valued up to $3,500 each. Because I know you guys are all crypto enthusiasts as well as me, you might not really mess with the stock market as much. But what they're providing and offering is the chance to get Coinbase stock specifically, which is a crypto-related stock. And again, it moves with the crypto market as well. So take advantage. $17,500 could be yours when you deposit money into your trading account. Check it out. Take advantage of these times. Now, Zombie Inu. Few really big, exciting catalysts that have come about. First of all, you guys always got to give the Zombie Mob and the Zinu development team love for what they're doing in terms of these animations. No other token does it like them. They said here, we are thrilled to announce that the Zombie Mob is growing and includes a AAA game developers responsible for some of the biggest games you know. We cannot wait to share more about this incredible development for Zinu and how this will directly benefit our holders. Folks, they're basically saying to us that a AAA gaming studio is going to be working alongside of Zinu to get their product and their token and NFTs into the metaverse. All I'm saying is right now, with a total market cap of 60 million market cap, when we look at the non-fully diluted, or 100 million for the fully diluted, this, in my opinion, is severely, and I mean severely, undervalued. This should definitely be at least a $1 billion token as of right now. After they get some working products in place, I know it's going to push to the next level. But for those who are looking to invest into Zinu, in my humble opinion, right? Not financial advice, but for me, this is a time to pounce as the overall market sold off, because going into 2022, we know how the metaverse is going to take over. The metaverse will be taking over the crypto space, and they are going to be one of the frontline tokens, in my opinion, because again, really, they've done some amazing things already. Now, CertiK audit is complete and also now activated. It says here, Dear Zombie Mob, and this is from Dale, the main developer, I'm excited to share that we have successfully completed our audit from CertiK, and I'm incredibly proud, can barely read, of our results. As you know, once we reached 10,000 holders, we extended our liquidity lock to 100 years. So I guess, again, there's your answer. The Zombie Mob is over 10,000 holders. This was a symbol of commitment to the community that we are here to stay. Furthermore, like I have shared since the beginning, we have no plans of renouncing our contracts. Excuse me. We want to ensure we have every ability to further develop Zombie Inu as we grow our technology, evolves in the years to come. This is why I publicly doxed on camera, because it was important to me to show you who I am and how big our plans are for the future. I am also excited to share that more members of the team will be doxing as we continue to grow the Zombieverse. Finally, in closing, I'm thrilled to share that we are also activating a 24/7 Certix Skynet security service for Zombie Inu to ensure that we are as protected as possible. Thank you for your commitment to the zombie mob. How amazing is that? 24/7 Certix Skynet security services. So for all the things around the ecosystem of Zombie Inu, we now have Certix basically giving us 24-hour surveillance and protection. This here is basically saying we're going to have the top of the top, the industry standard, the top of the top protection for the Zombie Inu holders and the people who are utilizing the different platforms, meaning the staking platform, or if you're going to be using any of the other things, the limit bot, and just utilizing things on zombieinu.io, their website. Amazing, folks. For all of you who have been wondering if there are tokens that are going to withstand the test of time, Zinu, there are a lot of other ones, and I'm going to talk about those when the time comes, as soon as there's catalyst coming on the way. But there's a lot of tokens that I've been talking about on my channel, and I love each and every one of them. But Zinu definitely has a special place in my heart, and I truly believe that they have some really cool things incoming. So always be prepared, not surprised. But that's all I had for you guys today. Thank you all so much for tuning in. And until next time, everybody, keep investing. Peace.